So we're working on this 2500 Chevy Silverado HD, and it's a problem with the heater blower. So sometimes when he starts the vehicle, heater blower is up here, the heater motor doesn't come on and he has to hit the underside of the dash to get it to work. So I'm current ramping the heater blower motor right now. I've got a battery charger on it, so it's sitting about 14 volts, so it simulates like it's running. 3 amps, 4.3 amps. Now, I don't like the jaggedness to the waveform. That's max. It's drawing about 17.7 amps, which is not high, but the commutator bars are not very clean. So we're going to replace this blower motor and then compare it after the fact, because I think the brushes are wore out, or the commutator bars are wore out in the motor. The connections up here to the blower resistor, which you can't hardly see here, I've taken them off and looked at them to make sure that they're not compromised. That's actually not a blower resistor, it's a module. So we'll get a new blower motor, put it in, and see how it looks afterwards. So here's the new heater blower I'm putting in this thing. Apparently there are two styles, one with 3 mounting ears like this one has. 1, 2, 3. There's little screws that hold it up there, and one that's just push in and turn with a tab. So this looks correct. We're going to go ahead and take the old one out and compare it before we install it. So there's the new blower motor installed, and I'm going to graph the current flow now with exactly the same settings I had before. Come on, focus. Alright, let's see what it looks like. So there it is on high. A lot cleaner looking signal. Also lower current too. Before we had, I believe, over 17 amps. Now we got just under 15, and I've got a clean battery charger on it set at 14 volts, so it simulates like it's running. So we're going to call this one fixed. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, this shroud here underneath here, you take the 2 screws out in this corner and this middle one, you can tilt it down. The one in the middle down there is actually nasty to get at, so just leave the shroud there. There's more than enough room to work with the sound deadener in place. Thanks for watching.